God damn it! That's out too. Hang on.
God, she's so just brash and loud. Ugh. I could never be with a woman like this. So obnoxious and foul and loud and gross and unhygienic. Well, the kitty boils would do it for me. That would do it for me too.
Another one. Make up room safe today.
You know, I'll be honest with you. I have a hard time being around people who smoke and cough like that all the time because I get frustrated. I'm like, you know why you're coughing like that, right? And I'm not trying to be a hypocrite because I did smoke. And I've only been off cigarettes for about a month. So I'm not trying, I know it's hard to quit, but come on. Like, come on.
So we'll do that next week.
Do you need an iron lung? Do you need to go to a TB ward? Did somebody drop some sarin gas nearby? I don't know why you're coughing. They're 24 minutes in, you have coughed no less than 7 times.